Welcome to the third series of our agent creation process. The first video, I just introduced to you what an agent is and how you can make it. And in this case, we're using n8n. And the second video, I showed you how to set up the n8n and how to add different credentials that will be required. So basically the brain and the other output and input that you require. So right now I've gone ahead and created an n8n agent that goes through your emails and check for any unread emails and then gives you a summary. And the trigger begins from the Telegram and you get the output out of the Telegram. Okay. Before I do that, I'd like to show you what would happen. Currently, if you check my inbox, I have around 3,400 messages, and you'll see if we run this prompt, what will happen to it. And then secondly, I created a Telegram bot so that I can use for the communication. And if I open my agent, this is what you'll see. So the bot is called Email Reporter, and I've already sent a message, hello. So now the only thing that is remaining is for us to execute the agent and see how it works. But before I do that, I'll just take you through the process of creating it. So the trigger begins with a message from the Telegram, and then it goes straight to your emails and check, do you have any unread emails? We've set it so that it can read your last 10 unread emails. And since that has to be done multiple times, we require a loop that will run 10 times. So it goes through your emails. After that, it gets all the information from all the unread emails, and it communicates that message to Grok. Grok is the brain that you're using to process all this information. Goes through the information and then decides what summary to create, and then it gives out the output, and then the output is filtered into the different emails, and then it's well packaged and it's sent to your Telegram as output. So right now we've already created that and we've done a trigger. The first thing that we need to do is to check the ID that was created from the output. So this is the output that was created and this is the ID that comes from Telegram, and I have to make sure that the output matches or has the same ID. So I'll just open it and I will set the correct ID so that they're the same. Once that is done, the only thing that is pending is just executing. Okay, so now I can come and click execute the workflow, and the agent will start working. So currently it's waiting on a trigger. What I'll do is I'll just send another message. So I'll say hello, so that the trigger is created, and then I can be able to copy the ID from here. So this is the ID, and I have to make sure that that ID matches the same ID at the end. So this, as you can see, the ID is different, so I have to make sure these IDs are the same. So I'll come here and I'll change the ID to that, and then I can execute the step. So as you can see, it has already gone through my emails to be able to read them, and it's going to give me an output. So right now, if I go to my bot, I can see I've been given, these are the messages that came. So it went through my emails and we were able to find these as the unread emails, and it was able to give me a feedback. And that is how you can be able to create an agent that can give you a summary of your emails. Thank you so much for watching this far. If you want to watch more videos about agents and AI, just write on a comment and I'll be happy to share more content. Thank you so much and have an amazing day ahead.